Hello. It's me, Slow Down 9, back again. I've returned with more shocking moments for you. I know you're eagerly waiting to see the shocking moments of the fools behind the wheel, and I won't keep you waiting long. Here are 50 of the most terrifying moments just for you. Let's go! Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel, my dear friend. It's the motivation I need to create more videos for you. Thank you so much. The collision wouldn't have happened if both of them hadn't tried to run the red light. Yellow lights are meant to signal slowing down, yet many fools see it as a sign to speed up to avoid waiting at a red light. Such poor awareness. This fool did the opposite by stopping when the light turned green, causing the car behind, speeding at high speed, to be unable to react in time, resulting in a collision. Rushing while driving always comes at a high cost, so don't be like him. Make it a habit to regularly check your vehicle to prevent incidents on the road, including potentially horrifying crashes. My friend, there are many more moments ahead, and I guarantee you'll be shocked by moment 28. So don't leave the screen and make sure to watch the entire video. Looking at them, I can't help but think of two aggressive bulls charging at each other, neither willing to back down. Driving fast makes it easy to lose control, everyone. So remember to drive slowly and stay calm. This guy got distracted by the scene on the side of the road and didn't notice the traffic ahead, leading to him not reacting in time and crashing into the car in front. Just like big fish eating smaller ones, trucks moving at high speeds create a strong suction force. It would be disastrous if smaller cars with unsteady drivers don't maintain a safe distance while driving alongside them. A collision is inevitable. Perhaps this driver should retake their driving test. Trucks are often hard to brake suddenly, so it's important to proactively observe and react from a distance. A major mistake that leads to collisions is speeding at intersections. He reacted well, but changing lanes like that is very dangerous. Standing still, yet disaster still strikes. It's truly unfortunate for the dash cam owner. What lesson did you learn from this video? Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for today's video. See you in the next ones. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, my friend. Goodbye.